Yan raya na kirma na silbi kimni no kada burbi to kada na
Right.
kuwa kurmu dungo patake
Niyan
Noah Isles. Patake ela Noah hada burbi to kada na paganda misiri ko royal chico na turanga ni ponoliv. Ronda raya ni ay ouch palang iso.
Baka menon ron rakiti kumbang ko ay.
Ya non raki ko bikimni batin ni ro turang kambi. Ya ukin tatalata ka ukin rota ka ni rawe tamayabu me baya no nambula na ngono ni rona vitina ni re o tinayabu o lewa pateki halk arto chikume kanta ko na ngono go
Oi.
o ko pateki abu roti sar mai mbua nambuni kantamu
Right.
na ngono talenga go ya pa ni binaka burbi tokani ka pa ni binaka burbi simate na matagi kuwa kirona ba chilbe kibni ni ga meses tak mai na bono ni ba itu kina me kirona ba ana to ni kibni o John Kumar era binaka se Double Sarana, thank you so much for tuning in this morning on our live show. Eleanor, would you like to say something to
Yes,
John
very
Kumar?
good morning to you, John Kumar. Thank you for always choosing VTFM
Yeah.
every single day.
Eleanor is a teacher by profession, so we are lucky to have her on the show this morning. Yeah? We say hello to all the listeners from all over the country and all over the globe,
Yes.
the Fijian diaspora, and biasa berburu di bawah orang berbekina, ni yang terima tebinak.
Palangi, na Ouch Palangi Show, era VTFM. Vito Konikina.
Opunja celebrating 90 years.
Kay Vinod Patel.
VTFM, kamida, kachi.
Sama ko sibi nga nangunya ko na bertuna matsera ko.
Roles mo ko meron na may totongi.
Yeah, I wonder what's up with the two boys
Yes.
that are missing this morning. Well, one is enjoying his live in
Yes,
back in the village
village.
now. In Nambuni Kantamu and Nunumbua.
Very enjoying. I
Amazing.
see
I shot
him. Yes.
a short video
Yes.
yesterday about him in the Donamboto
Right.
na fiber glass sa fiber.
Ooh.
E mole chiku waswasa yo sinikila ko e nreva tagindi ni davu. Sia ko e vitama chunga sia ko e talo chunga. Ya mena ke matala mantan lisu mena
Sama
libe
na
ngono.
matalem ni kanai kai.
Yeah, mena ka
Yeah.
Dems and Abu enjoying the break back in Nunumbua nambuni kantam this morning.
Right.
Anda pina kikimini kita sarna we kadar borong bulu bena lomene sarna bo turang Numbua. We say mbulare and welcome to Ouch Palangi Show. We also say Mbulunaka to all the gang in Barara Valley Road, Singatoka, John Kumar and the family, and to all the farmers in the Barara Valley area.
Right.
Arbinaka Meli na dalevu, Arbinaka Turanganait, Pinavoli Sara, back Samuela, Bulunaka Meli.
Binaka, Junior Lawa Kelly, Mbula Binaka. Oh, sabi surati mingo ay nabuko ni ngunuti. Nabalebu.
Yeah.
Sabi sa ngunti tayo may sanandong.
Arbinaka to all the drivers who are on the road this morning, and to all the passengers. We say Mbulunaka to Tamaysay from Tonia Tailevu.
Right.
With his passengers from Corvo, Nosorian to Suva and back.
Right.
We say Arbinaka to all the Fijian students who are overseas this morning.
Yes.
Tuning in and watching this live show. Kirona bartala bikimni nongal tu patakataka.
Kandi
And
Sara.
abu ni ko ni tokan bulu mani bi seburbura. And mataka binaka and dai.
Dito na nga unang dabi sa mati ko kina kanuita kini maruta kito na bingarabi may sanandong gore.
Iyo.
And also the Mbuda ni Valu gang.
Buta ni valu.
Yes, Mbuda ni Valu gang.
Isa.
Not in overseas.
Iyo.
Locally.
Local based.
Local based.
Wana na pinaboli
Ko
sa.
ir nan daw tandobo.
Iyo.
Daw tukon na to ni ratu na Mbuda ni Valu.
Right, Ghana Kato crew. Yeah. Well, some of the projects in the
Yes.
villages, they go for this Budani
Yes.
squad.
Yes.
Balta meroki na Keria,
Iya, di
tarakina
Nasara.
pa lotu.
Isa don dona songo to baro garabito ko mango.
Iyo.
Santo do tu may nakanabita la no
Right.
Otiar sa gintong wala durbo merdo le tandobo
Iyo.
merani raboilabo
Iyo.
merani vita kina na projects na songo beka ernana magiti ko kina.
Magi esta kivi ano na kemni ndala ka don daw sa mo telev and to
Sandina.
the Kuala Lumpur house in the Butuli Busirwa. Okay, this morning
Okay.
we'll translate one love letter.
Right.
One short love letter. Okay. My mistress
Okay. Hello girl.
Bula
Lewa.
Luvenin to na marama nunggu lewa.
I want to write to you this letter
Au vina kata siya ungandrea ba elomangu me utonga ya natiki ni pepongo me vola vi kontoni vola.
because every day I saw you opposite with my workshop.
Belatra vising kita nga en esa ni nongu workshop ko itekan tua ikon tukina.
You saw me
Iko remai
and I also saw you every day.
au raya ni darun tau vei raya na visinga.
But I have watched you for a several time.
Mo kila bina kati ko ni sa do bunga na ngauna iko seni kila ni ndo sente ki kolotiko.
Side ko Vico.
Ya mai.
The way your behavior is good for me.
Nano mi wale mai dolo ira sa do tali sar ngabiao.
I want to take you as a good girlfriend.
Au vio nakate me utoriko mendo na nongu itao binaka.
Because you're the beautiful girl in this town.
Balato ikon duondo nga vir kita ngonele vera tawon na itiko ko sa tawon ningo o iko kakach taon dua.
So I love you like a flower.
Au tuko na vigo pa don yondo moniku me pakain duan na seni zongan rongan.
But one thing is that I want to talk to you.
Iya. Ya dongan naka u binakati mutuko na vigo ni ungandre pa meu vosa vi ke muni se meu vosa mini ndalanga muni.
But you don't have the time.
Eu kila ni senga na munga una.
That is why I shouldn't come and talk to you.
Ya navuna senga kina viau nandondo se senga bina kina viau me nongole ani me vosa vi ke muni baleta nungole nungu rosi nungu sini ka nungu kata lendo do moni tau talita. Nungu baka maringeti ni senga no mutaimi.
At the same time, the place that you are sitting in,
Ngono botanga ya na bono iko don dandambe bolikina.
for the road that everybody pass,
Tolingon sala sana sala karena do bisi wikina na leoni bonua.
that is why I shouldn't come and talk to you.
Ya navuna au lomo roki na bosi kina vi. Bota masara ah? Kats ya? Ya.
Okay, that is why I shouldn't come and talk. If you think that you cannot read the letter,
Kibaka iko na numa ni osini rao ni ulika na nungu bola me pakambia kaninga sina kuka.
just call me and talk to me in a secret way.
Rao ni ongiri nga me viau kaposa viau nanduan na iwale talei ka kena ngoni salavuni.
So read the letter and give me the reply.
Kira nugu rosi ulika na ivola ka somale sumai.
Or the answer is, I am done.
Kaya senga usana tukuna nga nibiko ni sana mai dhaba iki. Era na katani ala galibutu o Joe lutu na vanua. Era na kaya na matang di kuwa na Eagle Eye Marketing Macbull Road na Dera. Pagod na binakan berbito kani. Na baka tambising ni kuwa.
Right.
And this one,
What about that story?
Oh yeah. No, bala lang. And this one family kumuni.
Yes.
And they were supposed to go to another village. Okay, these two villages, they are like Vitambani.
Right.
Like they spoil each other. When they meet, they spoil each other.
Right.
Ganito nang kasi na koro komerto ngoleani. Kinadota la Korea, korto wa chumi kinoto kambani. This ngasi was grogged up from last night until the morning.
Oh.
So when the carrier was at beside the village, kaya tigmarto sala ko, sige mata banyango na kaya luluts ko na kasi. When they reached Tabono ni Songo,
Yes.
and all the family from his village, all the tabale from his own village,
Yes.
they baka tugu him to the
Right.
company. To sa tugu company. See, that ngasi over there with the mata ilo.
Very dope.
Very dope. He never slept. He just mother from the tanoa into the carrier now. He never toothbrush. He never changed his clothes. He never changed the underwear. He never changed everything. Yeah, never changed everything.
Yes.
So the gang from the Bronisongo, arto sasangkay-sanga mengunang na. So he doesn't want to drink any bowl of grog that day
Right.
because he was fully dope. He never slept.
Uh-uh.
So arto na boys man na Bronisongo, arto sangkay kirento na ngonele me pa na nortulo manikoro.
They're trying to get him to drink.
Yeah, they want to entice him to drink.
Yes.
So they just call one Musundonu lady. Please come, help us to make this fella drink this bowl of grog. Satu kali buka ko sa dubtia. Nangkas memengo na satu minggu. And he was put down the helmet of the what's called the matailo.
Yeah.
Yeah. The helmet of the eye.
The Google.
Iya, luta la gogos. Sara itu kalau sa duri menangone lengo, musu tur karir na sara, budi ngabenaka. Sa talo menangona, sa tuta ke misa, ratu na lini buno. Sama kana ulusar ngabua ponon duru tumikin. When he was looking without the goggles, he saw something beautiful. He saw something strange. He saw something he doesn't want to believe. Yeah.
What did he see? What did he see?
While he was seeing, sitting and seeing, looking, he saw this beautiful lady, the grog ball,
Yes.
Nambilengona, going down,
Yeah?
and lift the sulira,
The skirt.
the skirt. And the middle of the Angona go underneath the skirt. And when he saw that, he left the place where he was sitting and ran towards the marama.
Ano mga ni besi tulang ulo.
Pertong ketemu kotel na boys menonok.
Oh, that guy from Bungale, I know. If not from Bungale, from
Well,
Verata.
all the guys from Bungali are like that. they only love to drink the Angona from underneath the skin.
Toto na bossa, yan rabinaka, mana mo kalo,
Yeah.
yan rabinaka na squad rooms ni Tech Hilton Resort maindana raw, daw sambol to kamay. Sir katara buti talabi kito, Sir Fino Maria Moana Taina,
Yeah.
kerto na marama maimbaw kay Madam Sia na social welfare. Nabalib na bingarabi.
Yeah.
Nabalib na bingarabi na singa bugululenday.
Ano ba ka tokoni, ano ba ka masya gangango.
Right.
Pwede na ngata, ano ba ka nabugnian rambongi, na tabaraw rustaba. Emba na matang ni kuwa.
Waro to na sukay,
Baru terus suka na matang ni kuwa.
dinasara.
Mula pwede na ngata, and bukan bitokan na matake dinday. Saya nulad bikin tapi mana mual kalau. Sebesar cuma na Hilton, dena raw resort my Hilton my dena raw. Squad ni room tech na matakan go. Sarafin na Maria Moana Taina kirto na marama ni mbau. Kira bi Madam Sia and the social welfare. Ada bina ka marama tanggali. Ben na marua dalbina ma Englandi. Joe lutu benua na imila. Ya ada bina. Kibrin na kikira kirusa na may tabay ke. Kamo ni bisar vito kari gan numri borong will main numuhat numlak numsya. Beto pun ngon taga biorong ngon tamtalikin ko kurmundo.
Ela na domoni ni bading binaka.
Ngata ni mode